Dementia is an illness that affects the brain. It is not a normal aging process. You can spot a dementia. Remember, A.B.C.D.E.F.G.H. Hello, I'm Z, a physiotherapist. A for activities of daily living. Observe the person if has difficulty in performing daily activities or tasks such as cooking or dressing. B for behavior. Observe the person's behavior. Is he getting upset or frustrated easily and becomes socially withdrawn? C for cognition. Observe the person if he has difficulty remember things or performing calculation. D for disorientation. Observe the person if get lost in less familiar places or poor orientations of day or time. To date, there is no cure for dementia. Current medical treatment mainly is to control signs and symptoms of dementia and prevent deteriorations of dementia. But we can lower the risk of developing dementia. Remember, E.F.G.H. E for exercise. Regular exercise to keep active. F for family and friends. Connect with family and friends and have an active social life. G for games. Play games and learning new skills to challenge your brain. H for healthy diet. Adopt a healthy diet and cooking methods. As dementia should not change the way we love them. We should be kind, care, and love them.